There are over 8.5 billion searches per day on Google Search. To reach customers with Google Search ads, we've got the right keywords already recommended for you based on the prompt you enter with our ChatGPT integration. The keywords are equipped with targeting safety rails to optimize your budget effectively. You can tap at it to review your recommended keywords, with the option to add or remove any other targeting keywords you would like. Your keywords for each ad you create should be closely related together. For example, if you are a jewelry repair shop, your keywords should look like this. All of them are related to jewelry repair. You don't want keywords like beauty and value. It's too broad. For location targeting, you can target anywhere in the world or even just select a radius around where you do business. Remember to think of what your customers are searching for on Google to find you. If we take a look at the jewelry repair shop example again and they offer a more specific service like watch repair, just open the prompt section. Replace jewelry and hear the prompt. With the word watch, tap Generate Description to finish the prompt and generate content for that. This is how you can create tightly themed ads at scale. It's better to create multiple ads each with their own topic than to have every keyword possible in one ad. Because we make it easy to do this at scale with AI, you can easily launch multiple ads with different themes and see which ad is performing better. Pause the ad theme that's not working and scale the ad theme that is working with more budget. Lastly, 1 in 3 searches for near me result in a purchase, so if you serve a local market, make sure you add near me to the end of certain keywords. Your ad spend will automatically optimize towards the keywords that are driving the best results. We provide you with the recommendations and tools to find your audience on Google Search.